Hey guys, welcome back. I tell you what, it's been a while, and I've been hearing from some of you guys tell me it's been a while since I've done up a pizza out on the kettle. Time is now. We're gonna get us together and do us a Hawaiian barbecue chicken pizza out on the Weber Kettle. Let's get going, guys. Well, the first steps here is we gotta get some chicken grilled up. It's a little over a pound of chicken here. We'll get this out on the grill. Get a little char to it and get this cooked up. I'm cheating on this part just because I'm short on time. And I'm gonna do this chicken on the gasser. We'll add a little smoke to it. It'll be just fine once it gets on the Weber. Cooking this around 350 degrees. Get some good marks on there. Also got right back here, I got some hickory chips back here just smoking away. We'll get a little flavor on here for us. Be back in a bit. Got about 5 strips of bacon here we're frying up just to get it nice and crispy for the pizza. Just a little prep time. Gonna need about a tablespoon of, I'm using olive oil, you could use vegetable oil too. Tablespoon of olive oil and about 1 clove of minced garlic. I'm using about a half a teaspoon of fresh garlic straight from a jar. Give this a mix. Set it off to the side. Give these guys a flip. Oh yeah, looking good, looking good. Another 4 or 5 minutes and we'll pull these off and get them cut up. Yeah, I'm just gonna rough cut this bacon. You know, I'm a master culinary guy. All right, set this off to the side, get ready. Looking real good, guys. Let me check the temp. We're real close. Real close. Ooh, it's hot. 151, just a little bit longer, guys. We're pulling this off. Matter of fact, I'm gonna stick it right up here and get a little smoke on it. Finish that off. Crank this up a little bit. That right over the smoke. We're just gonna cut this up, make some just some little chunks of chicken. We'll get some good grilled flavor here on this pizza. God, it smells so good already. It says salt, pepper, garlic seasoning. Can't help myself. That's going in right now. Oh yeah. We're gonna get the charcoal fired up, get this grilled nice and hot, and get this pizza prepared. A little flyer down here. We didn't do anything special here, just use some Jiffy pizza dough mix. Nice and simple. We've been rising over here for a little while. If I can get it out of there. I actually did like 1.5 packages per a box for this dough, just because I'm doing a little bit bigger. I'd like to get a little bit thicker crust than I normally do. We'll see how it turns out. You know I'm not a dough expert. I'm gonna get Mama to help me here. Get this screen Only thing I'm scared of on this cook, guys, is these are brand new pizza screens, and I've sprayed the heck out of them with oil, hoping that this pizza don't stick. We'll see how we do. Sometimes they do on new screens, so I'll let you know. Let mama scoot it under. There we go. Awesome, baby. Alright guys, I got that olive oil and garlic. I'm just going to brush on here. Let's have some fun here, guys. Got some Sweet Baby Ray's, hickory and brown sugar, barbecue sauce. Should be about it. Spread that throughout. That looks so good already. Some of my favorite seasoning on these pizzas is some of the Rome is Burning Italian seasoning from Tango Spice Company. Tango Joe did this right now. Why not kick it up a little bit more? Come on in here with some of this chicken all over. Normally I put a layer of cheese on the bottom, but not today. Oh, just gonna go on in here. Spread this, even this out a little bit. Don't be hating on the pineapple. This is just crushed pineapple. I'm gonna put a little bit down here before I go with the cheese. I drained all the juices. This comes straight from a can, but I made sure I used the pineapples that were in pure pineapple juice. So now I'm coming in with some cheese. It's a thin layer here. Straight mozzarella. Remember this bacon? Bacon all over it. Look at that goodness. Anybody knows me knows I'm not big on onions, but I'm just going to add just a little on here. That's red onion that we just sliced very thin. A bit more cheese. Just a little bit of cracked black pepper. I'm going to touch it off with just a little bit more pineapple. We're going to call it. Put the charcoal just on the outer ring. Push this back as far as I possibly can get it. I'm not putting anything on the grate, so I'm not going to worry about cleaning the grate. See my fire on the outer wall back here. The pizza basket's right here. And get this well up over 400 degrees, preferably 450 or so. As always, I'm cooking a pepperoni pizza for my grandkids, and we'll come back after that's done and we'll show you the Hawaiian chicken pizza. Right. Okay, it is show time. Come back in a few minutes and rotate this 180 degrees. Alright, we're about 25% through this cook. You gotta watch this close, because this could burn on you real quickly. We're going 180 degrees on this turn, guys. If I can do this quickly. God, I can smell that. It smells so good. All right, be back in a few more minutes. Oh, we should be about halfway through. It's going for, oh, that's hot. Be careful there, guys. It's going for a good quarter turn this time. Oh, we're getting close. Oh my God, that looks so good. All right, one more. 180 turn. Get under this a little bit. Scoot up a little. Alright, we'll do this a different way. It's gonna smash the pizza. Gonna have to be done though. Oh, didn't want to, but I did. We'll be back to finish this thing off. Okay, unlike my pepperoni pizza, I am gonna have a few sticking issues. But I think we'll be okay, guys. Get this off of here and go in and give us a taste. I was afraid of this with being new screens. Got a little stickage, but I think we'll be all right. All right, let's see if we can get this off here. Not perfect, which is what I was worried about. I think we're gonna be okay though. Otherwise, a good cook. You can see the pepperoni I did for the grandkids. Let's get this one cut up. See how we did. Good and crispy. Got her cut. Before we finish up here, let's throw a little cilantro on here. Alright guys, it was not perfect. I did a pepperoni for the grandkids right before this one, and it didn't stick at all. I don't know what that's the temperature, maybe it changed or whatever, but let's give this a try. Hawaiian style barbecue chicken. Guys, that's good. Very good. Got a little bite of that cilantro there in that one. The barbecue sauce, the pineapple. I didn't add that much pineapple to it, so it turned out really good. Guys, I know it's a big controversy, and but I love pineapple on with barbecue sauce on there, and it just turned out really good, guys. Give this guys, give us a try. I based this off a recipe I found on Pinterest a while back, and turned out really good the first time, so I thought I'd show you guys. Very flavorful, got the barbecue sauce in there, cilantro, that Italian seasoning of Tango Joe's, guys. You gotta give that a try. I'm gonna leave Tango Joe's link down there for his spice, or Tango Spice Company. I'm gonna leave that link down there. Guys, thank you so much. I'm glad you stopped by. It's hot, you can see I'm sweating. I managed to do a barbecue cook on outside in a white shirt, and only got one little bitty stain right there. Just one. I'm not done eating though yet. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. And guys, we will see you on the next video. God bless you, folks. Bye-bye.